What is the name? What is your name? The name of your business?
My name is Debbie Arambula, and my business is Heartworks Studio Inc.
What did you like most about night tonight?
I like the reminder that I need to take all the successful actions that I have as a salesperson selling my art and write it up and get a team to duplicate what it is that I do.
How will you apply what you learned?
I think anything that Manuel does or Tom Cummins or anybody that you guys have had, there's always so many things that I get inspired to do. I guess basically that one thing. I've also now joined with other artists, and I'm going to help them, and they're going to help me, and we're going to figure out how to, make more phone calls and stuff like that. So, yeah.
And then what did you think of Mr. Tom?
I think that he is powerful, has a big heart, and he really wants to help people.
Will you be back for more workshops?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.